West Bengal has reported its first case of coronavirus. A student who had a travel history to England was admitted to a hospital and has tested positive for coronavirus. The student reportedly is the son of a bureaucrat. The officer, her husband and two domestic staff are in quarantine. The Home Secretary, who met the officer on Monday, is now in self-isolation. Now, Mamata Banerjee has chastised the officer and her family for what she thought was an irresponsible act.
ওয়ার্ল্ড হেলথ অর্গানাইজেশনের একটা সিস্টেম আছে, বাড়িতেও আপনি আলাদা করে থাকতে পারেন যদি সেরকম কোনো সিমটমস না থাকে। আর যদি দেখেন সিমটমস এসছে অথচ আপনি ইরেসপন্সিবলের মতো ঘুরে বেড়ালেন, তাতে আরও ৫,০০০ লোকের কাছে রোগটা ছড়িয়ে গেল, সংস্পর্শে এলো, এর থেকে অবিবেচক কাজ আর কিছুই হতে পারে না। এখানে ভিআইপি এলআইপি করবার জায়গা নেই। আমার ঘরেও যে নিয়ম ফলো আপ হবে, আপনার ঘরেও সেই নিয়মই ফলো আপ হবে। যারাই আসছেন বিদেশ থেকে তাদের আমি বলবো নিজেদের একটা করে টেস্ট করান আর নিজেদের আলাদা রাখবেন। এই যে আমি হঠাৎ বেরিয়ে গেলাম বিদেশ থেকে, এসেই একটা শপিং মলে ঘুরতে চলে গেলাম, সেখানে আমার সংস্পর্শে এসে আরো ৫০০ জন আক্রান্ত হলো।
Less than an hour ago, Mamata Banerjee, she spoke at event, as it were, very small event at the Nabanno State Secretariat, and she roundly upbraided, without naming, the officer and her son, who has ended up, of course, in hospital, COVID positive, and the officer for, just letting this irresponsible act happen. She said that, people from abroad are welcome home, but the disease is not welcome, and just because you are a VIP's, relative, you cannot go around evading tests for COVID. You cannot just disappear into a shopping mall. You cannot go off to a park and mingle with people without taking the necessary precautions. So she did not name the bureaucrat, she did not refer to the bureaucrat, nor to the patient, her son, but she roundly chastised them for what she clearly thought was an act of irresponsibility. Irresponsibility because the youth came in on Sunday. He's 18 years old, a student at a prominent university there, came in on Sunday to Kolkata, did not report, he was not tested. He was, I beg your pardon, he was asymptomatic. So the screening at the airport did not reveal anything. He came home. We don't know about his movements all of Sunday. On Monday, after the family heard that some of his friends back in the UK had, developed COVID positivity, that's when there was alarm, and a young man was sent off to a government hospital in Kolkata.